Welcome! In our video today, we're going to be detectives, dissecting informational texts to understand how each part contributes to the whole. Just like detectives, we'll look for clues in each sentence, paragraph, or section to discover how they develop the main idea or purpose. A single sentence in an informational text can contain a vital fact, introduce a concept, or underline the significance of a topic. Sometimes a specific sentence might make you go, aha, and help you see the bigger picture. That's the power of a well-placed sentence. Moving on to paragraphs. Each paragraph is like a building block. They contain their unique piece of information. When we read paragraph by paragraph, we're constructing the text's main idea or theme piece by piece. Each paragraph adds a new layer to our understanding. In larger texts, you'll find sections or chapters, each devoted to a particular subtopic or aspect of the main theme. Each section or chapter in a text is like a mini story within the grand tale. They each have a role in painting the bigger picture. Some sections introduce us to new ideas. Some delve deeper into those ideas, while others wrap up the discussion. Just as we did with sentences and paragraphs, we analyze how each section contributes to the development of the overall theme or main idea. Now, armed with this knowledge, you're ready to analyze informational texts, one sentence, one paragraph, and one section at a time. Remember, every part of the text, no matter how small, has a significant role in shaping the whole. Happy reading, detectives!